Good morning, Utah. This is Bradley Vernon with the Utah Climate Center. It'll be a brief change of pace for the northern half of the state, with a small upper-level disturbance moving through today bringing some cooler temperatures and some much-needed rain. For today, afternoon highs ought to be closer to their average for late July, in the upper 80s in the far north, low 90s down the Wasatch front, and roughly 105 down in St. George. That rain should come in a couple phases, starting with a line of showers stretching from the Idaho border down towards Provo in the early afternoon. Expect a good chance for some isolated thunderstorms, especially around the Salt Lake City area. Less organized scattered showers should persist into the overnight hours, with south central Utah getting a bit of the action too. Tomorrow, another chance of evening showers, mostly in the higher elevations of northern and northeastern Utah, though I could see some rain making its way down into the Salt Lake valleys. Afternoon temperatures should hold mostly steady, roughly around 90 for northern and central Utah, and mid-100s for Washington County. We'll kick off the weekend with a chance for some early morning showers in the far northern parts of the state, mostly in the Logan to Ogden range. It's just barely out of range for the high-resolution models, so it's hard to say for certain, but keep that in mind if you're planning on hitting any of the markets in the morning. Looking ahead, it should be a fairly mild weekend compared to what we've had over the past couple of weeks, with the all-too-familiar high-pressure system returning to kick off the start of next week. Thank you for listening. This has been Bradley Vernon with the Utah Climate Center.